Hi, my full name is Nguyễn Đình Huy. My ID is at 3746697. Now I will talk about the Zalo and my biggest location in Indonesia. First of all, let's talk about the company overview. Zalo was founded in 2012 by VNG joint stock company. Zalo provides a free message and call mobile platform for their users with more than 46.5 million active users each month. Zalo successfully become one of the most popular communication applications in Vietnam. In addition, Zalo is referred by Vietnamese because it's convenient, fast, and stable. Now, let's talk about the core value. Undoubtedly, conversation is the core value which Zalo want to bring to their customer. In the first day, Zalo focus on the user value and the communication via the text message. Zalo creates a large ecosystem to satisfy the customer demands. As the modern payment platform, Zalo Pay offers 1,000 of utilities and services for payments and shopping rights on their mobile phone. Customer can use Zalo Pay wallets to top up the mobile phone, top up the data, pay bills, buy air tickets, book the passenger ticket, or pay credit card. In addition to the online payments, the customer can use Zalo Pay to scan the QR code to pay directly in many locations. Lastly, desiring to internationalize the brands, product internationalization and digital trends are the main reasons why Zalo want to enter the international market. Now let's talk about the rationale. The Indonesian government also improved the digital infrastructure to meet the needs of Indonesian people. Moreover, smartphone usage is also on the rise among Indonesian youth, including Gen Y and Gen Z. According to Statista, the number of phone users is nearly 82 million and rise strongly every year. Furthermore, Southeast leads to the world in the internet users, while Indonesia has the biggest internet population. Moreover, Zalo development strategy with the sustainable expansion to overseas markets is consistent with the digital trend in the world. Going international is a chance to reach more customers, thereby increasing the sale because the domestic markets may be too narrow or too small. Therefore, joining a global market such as Indonesia is a necessary action to expand and develop the new countries. With one of the most populous countries in the world, Indonesia become one of the most potential markets for Zalo zoning based on their geography, culture, and policy. The Indonesian inflation rise around 1.6%, while the interest rate in this country reduced to 3.8% in 2012. This is a big opportunity for non-cash payment service such as Zalo. Moreover, the core value of Zalo is very suitable with the culture of Indonesian who is family oriented. In addition, Zalo also have many political advantages which support the Vietnam brand. By the support from Indonesian government, Vietnam brands, especially Zalo, will have many advantages to join and develop. Now, let's talk about the cultural insight. In 2012, the inflation rate of Indonesia increased to 1.6%, while the interest rate decreased to 3.8% in the same period. In the cultural and spirit of Indonesian, the family has the most important role, which affects strongly to the awareness and behavior. Therefore, Zalo will have a lot of advantages in Indonesian markets because the core value of Zalo is the connection between people. Furthermore, 87.2% of population in Indonesia is island. Overall, the variety of the language of Zalo's app should be considered carefully before launching in Indonesian markets. In 2018, the Indonesian developed strongly and become one of the biggest mobile markets, which have more than 305 million users, while the internet user reached 143 million. According to Kim and Kahibara, 67% of population in Indonesia make the purchase online while they spend more than 3 hours per day on their phone. As a result, the culture of Indonesia is suitable for Zalo zoning and developing. Now let's talk about the regrettable trend of brands. Zalo are developed by Vietnamese and successfully launched in many countries in the world, including Vietnam, United States, Myanmar, Japan, and so on. Furthermore, Zalo provides the user a big ecosystem. For example, they offer a free transfer money, online payments, booking online, and so on. In this case, Zalo easily meet the customer needs based on their variety ecosystem. Furthermore, Zalo also offer a high protective and convenient application for user. It will increase the trust of customer and also increase the awareness of them. So now let's talk about the weakness. Firstly, Zalo should concern about their competitor in the Indonesian markets. If Zalo want to join the Indonesia markets, they will face too many competitions from the other brands such as WhatsApp, Line, WeChat, and so on. Furthermore, Zalo only supporting two main operating systems are iOS and Android. Therefore, the other mobile phone cannot install and use it. If they are Java operating system, furthermore, Zalo has no feature about connected to social networks such as Google Plus or Twitter. Because Zalo is a new brand in Indonesia, therefore the customer will have low awareness about their brand. Zalo should carefully create a plans or campaigns to increase their reputation in the customer mind. So move on to the objective part. It's divided into three main sectors, including short-term, 6 months, mid-term, 8 months, long-term, 12 months. 5 categories are set to measure the business objective, including brand awareness, installation, and brand loyalty. So move on to the target audience. The demographic of Zalo is in big cities, including Jakarta, Surabaya, Bandung, Medan, and Bekasi. In the demographic, we focus on the age from 18 to 35. They are both male and female. The income of them are from the low to the high income. In biographic, we focus in the society. About the lifestyle is the high demand of communication. The personality of our targets is busy and family oriented. About the behavior, they have the usage mobile frequency. It means the frequency of using mobile phone device is high. Moreover, they also have the tend to communicate regularly through the text, audio call, or video call. In the personal one, they are university student or the high school student from 18 to 22. They are both male and female. Furthermore, their habit is communication regularly. The lifestyle is they are achiever and community involvement. The income of them is the low income. In the personal two, they are the young worker from 22 to 35. They also both male and female. The habits of them is also the communicating regularly. Their lifestyle is achiever and family oriented. The income of them is middle income or high income. Now let's talk about the marketing strategy. In the product, the Zalo offer the free communication service and finance service for both business and customer. Zalo also provide the free testing service, free audio and video call service, online payment service, and free finance transfer service. In the price, Zalo is a free application on both App Store and Google Play. They take the profit from the commission and advertising. in place, Zalo can be used as a payment in their partner businesses such as malls, restaurants, hotels, and so on. Furthermore, Zalo can be used everywhere through the mobile phone and computer. The Zalo payment service linked with many industries. In the promotion, Zalo increased the brand awareness through the poster, banner, and billboard. They provide the e-voucher, discount, and smartphone on TV show or event to attract more customers. The QR code with the Zalo logo are put into the payment location to attract and increase the brand awareness of customers. So in Indonesia, there are many applications with variety ecosystem, especially WeChat, Line, WhatsApp, and Linkaza. There I realize the brand positioning map to put Zalo into this map to identify the brand positioning. Now let's talk about the communication plan. My big idea for this plan is Zalo connect people together and be on air in the online payment trends. These plans are divided into 3 main sectors, including teasing 1.5 months, constructor 2.5 months, and sustaining stay 3 months. The communication plan will set up from January to July. As a result, the objective for this plan is increasing 15% awareness and 90,000 installation. Furthermore, in the tasting, the key message will be send the love. In the constructor, the key message is one-touch payment, and in the last 3 months, the key message is the digital trend of future. To be specific, in the teasing stage, to introduce the brand to the customer in Indonesia, the social advertising, the viral video, and the launch announcement are applied in this time. Furthermore, social media, YouTube, KOLs, billboard, and transit advertising are used to support the communication plan. The interaction and reach on the social media and channels are used to measure the successfulness of the plan. In the most important cost structure stage, I want to expand the brand awareness of potential customers who are the students and young workers. Therefore, I will run the advertising, organize the photo contest, and sponsor for the event to create a chance for consumers trying the application. In this stage, the engagement is applied on the metric on the social media. In the last sustaining stage, I will run the advertising about the key message. Furthermore, 3 hashtags including one touch, send the love, or Zalo Pay are used on the Zalo social media post. Furthermore, I will use the live stream to interact and connect with the customers. In this stage, traffic from website, CTR, bounce rate, and all conversation rates are used to measure the successfulness of the plan. So that's all for our presentation. Thanks for listening.